again. Today's lesson is going to be on multiplying by twos. So think about what 4 groups of 2 pennies looks like. I have pennies in this cup. What would 4 groups of 2 pennies look like? Okay, look here. Down here. 1, there's a group of 2. There's a group of 2. There's a group of 2. And there's a group of 2. So this is what 4 groups of 2 pennies looks like. Is that what you were thinking about? If it was, you're right. How many pennies is that all together? You can count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's 8 pennies all together. So mathematicians can write it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2. They can write it like this. 4 groups of 2. Or mathematicians know a symbol that means groups of. Do you remember that symbol? It's the times sign. So it could look like this. 4 groups of 2 equals, and how many pennies did we say that was? 8. So that equals 8. This equals 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. This equals 8. This equals 8. All of that is 4 groups of 2. Now think about, what would 7 groups of 2 pennies look like? Think about that. Let's go down here. Well, we already had 4, right? So let's add 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups. So this is what 7 groups of 2 pennies look like. Let's count that up and see how much that is. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So that's 14 pennies all together. Come look up here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 2. 7 groups of 2. Or we can write the symbol that mathematicians use for groups of. Oh, we're not going to put 4. We're going to put 7 groups of 2. And you guys told me that was 14 pennies when we did it just a minute ago. So 7 groups of 2 is 14. Now I want you to look at this. These are the times 2 facts. You can write them horizontally, or you can write them up and down vertically. So all of these are what the times 2 facts look like. The numbers that you multiply together are called factors. Say that, factors. And the answer that you get when you write your answer down here, or when you write your answer out past the equal sign, the answer to a multiplication problem is called the product. Say that, product. Okay, so when I look at these times 2 facts, do you know what I think of? I think of the doubles. So when I see 9 times 2, I think of 9 plus 9, which is 18. So 9 times 2 is 18. So if you can think of the doubles facts for these, then you are going to know these really fast. So if you have double 8, you have 16 for your answer. And if you have double 5, 5 times 2 is 10 for your answer. Very good. And mathematicians also know that you can switch these factors around and do 5 times 2 or 2 times 5 and still get the same answer. That's called the commutative property of multiplication. All right, 2nd grade. That's our lesson on the times 2 facts. Now for our fun today, we are going to do a hole-in-one contest. A golfing hole-in-one contest. So get your prediction in your brain. I wonder how your predictions have been going so far. And think about if you think I can make a hole-in-one. All right, come over here and let's see. Show them, Chloe, what it looks like. Ah, that's what it looks like. All right, you want to stand down at that end or down at this end?
No, I'll stand down here.
Down there? All right, so I'm going to get one shot to try to get a hole-in-one, okay? If I get it, then I'm better at golf than I thought I was. All right, so get your prediction. All right, let's see. I'm not very good at golf either, just like basketball. All right, here we go. I get one shot. I made it! Yay! Well, I don't know if I can do 2 in a row, but we'll maybe try that again tomorrow. All right, see you later.